Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Android Auto not working. So there might be two possible solutions for this, and the first thing that you should do is that try to connect your car with the Android Auto, either wire or wireless. And after connecting to it, you can just simply go to the settings and search for Android Auto and make the changes to it. Search for Android Auto over here on the search settings, and just make changes only if you are confident about it. Otherwise, don't make any changes at all, as it might not be that helpful. The first thing that you can do is that restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, if the problem is still there, then go to your about phone section or system update section and find the option of Android Auto working. Update it, and if the auto working is not there and your phone is requiring any update, then make sure that your Android phone or device is up to date and has a latest version in it. After that, your Android Auto will be working quite fine. And these are some solutions. I hope this information was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.